Wrestle, wrestle, play, play. This is called lazy play. This is the laziest play you can possibly achieve. Right, it's a lazy play. Okay, you ready to get up and go do stuff? Or are you just gonna wrestle your duck? Wrestle, wrestle, duck. Alright, well I'm going to let you go now. Bye.